Hey guys, so it is February 2020 and I am coming out of my semi-annual YouTube hibernation. No, I did not quit hiking. That was pure clickbait. Yeah, no, this video is just a little life update slash an introduction to my latest and greatest new obsession. Hint, hint. And also just to say that I still really do love hiking a lot. But I don't have to tell you I love it. Let me just show you. So up until like the past few months, I had only really skied like 8 times. If you include the first time I ever skied as a kid and like the couple of times I skied here in Colorado when I first moved here. But for some reason, when I got back from hiking last year, I was like, I want to get into ski touring. And I think the ski gods heard me because shortly after that, Backcountry reached out to me and was like, we want to help you with this endeavor. And that was really, really exciting. I don't really know where we're going, but we're just gonna explore. I definitely need a new jacket. Super huge thank you to Backcountry for not only providing the sick gear, but also for sponsoring this video and for sparking this whole new joy and passion in my life. So that was some chill Backcountry ski footage. For the most part, I've stuck to a lot of inbounds and like skiing at different resorts for safety reasons, but also just to like practice my turns, my technique, and just get comfortable overall. This sport like kind of terrifies me a little bit. Getting to the top of a slope, standing on the edge, looking down, going really fast. It's kind of intimidating, but at the same time, it's also very addicting. I love it. I'm pretty hooked. I'm also literally a noob.
You got it! Not turn left!
The next step is to get all of my avalanche safety training and all the gear so that I can take my skis and just explore that much further and eventually be able to ski tour over long distances just like through hiking. Oh yeah, and another like really exciting thing is that I did not experience any chronic type of pain. As much as I love hiking and like my heart is just like 100% love just being out there exploring for weeks on end, having to deal with Achilles pain and low back pain and all these things that I have that most of you already know about if you watched my videos, it can be a little bit not annoying, but like what's the word? It like brings me down a little bit sometimes because like you love this thing, but like it also gives you a lot of pain. With skiing, I've noticed that it's like the opposite. And I think it's because like your feet are literally in these stiff ass boots. So it's kind of like a calf, or not a calf, a cast. And you know, there's not a lot of motion happening in there. It's just so stable. And there's not a lot of impact too, right? At the end of a really long day when I get back to the car, I'm like expecting that pain. I'm looking for it, but it's non-existent. It's not there at all. It's huge for me and it's really exciting. Yeah. Maybe I should freaking quit hiking after all. Yeah, that's pretty much it for everything. I feel like all I do now is ski, and it's been a process, but it's been nice. I've got this new goal where I want to hike and summit all Colorado 14ers. A 14er is a mountain peak that is 14,000 feet or higher. Colorado has a bunch of them, actually 58 of them. And I've done 10 so far, so I've got 48 more to go, which is a lot, but it's fun. I secretly don't want to finish them all because I just love the process of going after something like this more than actually being done. Oh yeah, I also got a new car, Subaru Life, what. I'm actually pretty excited to potentially live out of it later this year or just like road trip. That pretty much wraps up today's video. I wanted to mostly just get on here to say hi to you guys, just to say thank you for subscribing and tuning in, leaving comments and wanting to know when I'm gonna post the next video, even though it seems like I only post once a year. So that's it. Thanks again, Backcountry, for sponsoring this video. If you haven't checked them out, make sure you do so and use my code DirtyAvocado15 to get 15% off your first order. I'll leave a link down in the description, and thank you so much for watching. Just like always be safe, you know? Wear your helmet, wear your goggles, and just like try new things because it's cool.